Okay, go ahead.
What is a bond?
My school needs a renovation.
Oops. Our school needs an addition.
We need money for school construction.
Agree.
Let's put it to the voters.
The voter has spoken. I have 200 million in bonds to issue.
I'll take one for 100 million.
Thank you, madam. I'll take one for 50 million. Me too. You got 30 years to pay us back. And you're really good about paying on time.
So we'll charge you less interest.
FCPS uses bond funding to build schools and renovate schools.
Giving kids great places to learn.
Kids like us.
Great work, everyone. Take it out.